Hello everyone, we're back again with another exciting unboxing and impression video. So today we have Technopova 2 with us, which is an upgraded version of Technopova. In the previous video, we have unboxed the Technopova. So talking about the phone is priced at around 23,990. So is it the best budget-friendly phone in Nepal? Let's find out. Before starting, we would like to thank Mahalakshmi Mobiles for providing us with this phone. Mahalakshmi Mobiles are the authorized distributor of Itel and Techno. Do follow them on social media, whose link is in the description below. And also stay tuned till the end of this video because we have some exciting giveaway announcement for you guys. Opening up the box, we can see this brand new Technopova 2. Let's keep this aside because we'll talk about it later. We also have some paperwork with us. Let's keep this aside too. Techno provides us with this 12 plus 1 month warranty card. Techno also provides us with this silicone case, which feels good when in hand. We also get this 18-watt fast charger. We also get this SIM ejector pin. Techno also provides us with earphones, which is amazing because many phones don't provide us with earphones, which is a plus point. And we also have this Type-C cable, which is an upgrade from Pova. Looking at the design of the phone, I have to admit that I'm very much impressed with the phone design. The addition of the gradient line running through the middle is unique in my opinion. As mentioned, this is the Dazzle Black, but the phone is also available in Polar Silver and Energy Blue. Talking about the feel on hand, the phone is quite big and tall but not so wide. It might be comfortable for a big hand but not so much for a small hand. In the front we have a 6.9 FHD plus IPS LCD display panel. It would have been nice if they had provided us with an AMOLED display, but at this price point I guess it is very normal. In the front, we can also see the 8 megapixel front-facing camera with dual LED flash, which is a good addition. On the back side, we have the 48 megapixel AI quad camera and a huge Pova branding. On the right side, we have the volume rocker, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which also works as the power button. On the left, we have the SIM tray. Below we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C charging port and a microphone. We also get a dual stereo speaker which is located below the display. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85, which is a gaming chipset with 7000 mAh battery and also a 6.9 Full HD plus display, which can be a good phone for gamers. Talking about the memory, we have 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM respectively. The screen is pretty smooth and it does not feel laggy when scrolling through the contents. Talking about the battery, it takes longer time to charge due to its bigger 7000 mAh battery. But the thing is that the battery lasts longer without activating the power saver mode. An interesting feature provided by Technopova 2 is that its safe charging mode, which auto disconnects the charging to protect the battery. Anti-theft feature, which also makes a sound when charger or earphone is removed. We also have peek proof, which allows you to only view certain portion of the screen so that other can't peek at your screen. Talking about the gaming, it is pretty smooth. We played Mobile Legend and the game did not lag at any point. We also tried playing PUBG, which also ran pretty smoothly without any worries. There is considerably low heating even after heavy gaming. You can feel mild heating around the camera area, which is understandable. This is a good news for gamers. The screen of the phone slightly dims while gaming. This is the one thing that POVA 2 needs to upgrade. Dimming issue can be solved through future software updates. The selfie of POVA 2 is kind of overexposed even without the beauty mode. We also have front flash, which is normally not found in other phones. We tried clicking pics without any lights on, and you can clearly see the outcomes was satisfying enough. Talking about the back camera, we tried clicking pics outside. It was not that bad, although the image was a little sharp, but the quality was good enough for a 48 megapixel rear camera. Zoom of the video can be shot in 720 to 2K, which is nice. Furthermore, there is no image stabilization available, which makes the video shaky, but the image stabilization in this price point is rare. Talking about the zoom, we have digital zoom up to 10 times, which captures grainy videos, but they are decent overall. Other camera features include slow motion, AR shots, and time lapse. The speaker provided in Tecno POVA 2 is pretty decent. However, it is not as loud as expected. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground. For a movie watcher, this phone is really good because of its large 6.9-inch display, which is bright and vibrant. Though the personal experience might vary, but personally, we enjoyed watching movies in this screen with its bright videos. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor as well as the face unlock is fast and favorable for day-to-day use. So that's it for today. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. अब एक्साइटिङ पार्टको कुरा गर्नु पर्दा चाहिँ महालक्ष्मी मोबाइल्सले चाहिँ यो टेक्नो पोभा 2 चाहिँ गिभ अवे गर्न गइरहेको छ, जसमा तपाईहरुले गर्नुपर्ने भनेको यो च्यानललाई चाहिँ सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ र टेक्नो मोबाइल नेपालको चाहिँ फेसबुक पेजमा गएर सबै गिभ अवेको इन्स्ट्रक्सन्सहरुलाई चाहिँ फलो गर्नुहोस्. So that's it. Best of luck for the giveaway. Thank you.